Welcome guys to another episode of me opening AliExpress 10 item limit deal. Now, the background of this is that I ordered this particular deal package here back on the 1st of February, the first week of February. Well, now to the making of this video, it is the first week of March, which means that it took about a month for my items to get here from China. And I guess the background of it or the reason for it is with stuff going on between us and China, with the tariffs and everything, and with the stuff. I remember a story just several weeks ago. They were talking about how they confiscated, or there was a raid on a $200 million operation between China and here with the shipping. They were shipping illegal goods and what do you call it? Counterfeit goods and everything, and it was in the port of Long Beach. So yeah, my item just got stalled and held up somewhere, but yeah, it finally did get here. And enough blabbing, and let's see what we got. Okay, all right, first item. All right, I got this before. This is the bungee strap. This is the, I believe, 60 centimeters, which is about 24 inches, a little bit over 24 inches, or about 24 inches total, 2 feet. So there it is, bungee strap. It's adjustable. You can see right there. So that's why I like it. And I put it in my car. So 2 pieces for $2.69. $2.69. There you go. All right, next up, right there, flashlight. This is the, I believe, 520D. Let's see. No, this is the 520, I think, C. This is the smaller version. I was getting this to give to the kids. So the other one was the long one, the 520D with the zoomable, lens top. But the top, it's pretty sharp, so I wouldn't recommend it to giving it to kids. So this one right here is best for kids. It's not zoomable, but it'll do the job. So, yeah, this one right here, I believe I got 2 pieces for $2.90 each. $2.90 each. Type-C charger. Look in my past videos, you'll see how it functions. But yeah. Okay. Yeah. Jeez. All right. Next up is this is the Caribbean set. This is six-piece Caribbean set. Pretty simple. It's aluminum, not steel, but it'll do the job. I needed some Caribbeans for to hook up keychains and all that stuff. So 6 pieces, I believe. Yeah, for $1.79. $1.79 for 6-piece Caribbean set. So they won't be a mess all over the place. I'll put them all together. There you go. Pretty cool. $1.79 for 6 pieces. Okay, next up. a long item here. Let's see what this is. I believe this is the it's called the Squeegee Tire Tool, but it's basically for tire repair, and it could be used as a prying tool. There it is. It's basically a large prying tool. You know what? It looks similar to the earwax removal tool, just a larger version for somebody with big ears. Just kidding. This one, yeah, it's basically a tire removal tool and also a prior. So there you go. Pretty much $1.79 for this. And let's see the steel magnetic, if it's, oh yeah, there it is, guys. I can't take it off. Pretty good. $1.99 for it. It's gonna go into my toolbox. I basically got it as a prying tool. Okay, next up is double-sided adhesive foam tape. This one right here is 20 millimeters thick and I believe 3 meters long, so it'll go into my tape pack set, you know, for repairing and everything when you need double-sided foam tape. Pretty cool. $1.59 for this roll, $1.59 for a 3 meter roll. Okay, next up this is the 3-piece ratchet set. I got them before. This one right here goes for $2.99. $2.99 for a 3-piece pack set. You can see right there. Look at my previous videos. I got them before. You know, I got more because I need to strap on more stuff. All right. Next up is, oh, this one right here is, they call this the door edge scratch protector, but you know, I'm also gonna use this for other stuff to prevent, you know, scratches and any contact. Basically, you could just slip this into an thin edge, but as you can see, it's meant for the car door primary. This one right here is made by C Metal. Now C Metal, they're known for making, you know, car accessories, you know, but yeah, this one right here is a door edge scratch protector. This is 10 meters long, and well, actually no, the one I got is 5 meters long. For the deal, it's $3.99 for a 5 meters long door edge protector. Pretty cool. Feels like rubber. It doesn't feel like plastic, so it's more yeah, cushioning to the touch and not hard plastic. So there you go, flexible. I'm gonna use it for some projects that I got working on my Jeep. Pretty cool. Okay, next up is black rubber bands. Now, you know, rubber bands are very useful for a lot of things, tie, but I got these black ones. They're more, you know, holding my tools and everything together. Like I got a lot of hand ratchets, and I could just put this together, bundle them up. But 100 piece of these rubber bands, black rubber bands, for $1.59. $1.59 for black rubber bands. Yeah, they're actually hard to find, you know, at stores. The stores usually sell those colorful rainbow and, you know, different size rubber bands, but specifically these are the type that I wanted and got the deal for $1.59 for 100 pieces. Pretty cool. Next up is, what is it? Okay, these pieces. Oh, I believe these are the silicone gap kitchen ceiling strip. Um, like, I'll describe to you my kitchen, my stove area, and then the I guess the countertop on both sides of the stove. Where the stove sits in. There's a gap between the stove and the I guess the countertop. So with these go in with the strip, and it has a groove in the middle. Well, sort of like an extrusion in the middle, and that middle part slips into the groove, and then it has the flat surface. Well, you get what I mean. It's basically it's a gap strip cover. So this one right here is 2 pieces. I believe it's about less than 24 inches each. I could be wrong, but yeah, $3.09 for 2 pieces of these. $3.09 for 2 pieces of these seal gap strap things. Maybe I'll take it out real quick and I'll show you. It's basically rubber. It feels like rubber, but yeah, there you go. See the extrusion or whatever thing that you want to call it. It goes in the gap and then sits flat on there. So I believe it's 18 inches, not 24 inches, but more like 18 inches. But yeah, there you go. Next up, or maybe that one more, which is that flashlight set. Like I said, I got 2 pieces of these. I'll fix it up later, but that should be it. Okay, let's put it all together. I doubt I can make this, what do you call it, easy to display. Guess you could see it, right guys? All right guys, thanks for joining me. Till next time. And I haven't been ordering any more, only because I was actually waiting for these to arrive. Like I said, it took me a whole month, but since they arrived now, I'm gonna go ahead and continue to order more stuff. I hesitated on ordering since I didn't know if these would arrive or not. So now that they did, I'm gonna continue to order and make more videos on this. All right guys, thanks for joining me. Till next time, peace.